How Umar Qureshi was able to make 2.5 lakh per month at the age of 16 with affiliate marketing, with thousands of other people with professional degrees, high paying job failed to build a successful online business. So what does a 16-year-old know about than the rest of us? In this video, we will break down his entire strategy into three parts. How he went from trying, failing, quitting YouTube to making lakhs with his online business. It's all start with the step one, finding the right affiliate programs. Also, I am going to create more real case studies like this. So make sure subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out. Promoting the right product is the foundation of affiliate marketing. If you choose the bad quality product, then it will be hard to sell. No one will going to buy that product. So Umer does all the research and spends so much time finding the right affiliate program that pays him good amount of commission. And the product should have high quality also. He promote companies that has multiple offers like low ticket $7 to $50, mid ticket $100 product, and then high ticket products that cost around $2,000, $3,000. And this is where he makes most of his money by promoting high ticket products. High ticket products are the most profitable products that will pay you big amount of commission of $500, $1,000 on single sale. So with the high ticket products, you only need 4 to 5 sales to make $2,000-3,000 per month. And there are more than 15 plus affiliate program that he makes money from. Let me show you all the products. He was promoting products from the ClickBank. It's the biggest affiliate network where you find products in tons of category. Another marketplace is JVZoo. He also used to promote JVZoo product. Another product is Hostinger. It's a software that allow you to create website and many more things. Now he was also promoting products by Jonathan Montoya. It's a affiliate marketing course, and they have a multiple offers of $9, $97, $2,000. Back then they have a different products with different names, but they have changed their product, but the price has same. So they have a high ticket product also of $2,000. So if someone will going to buy that product, he was making something around $800 on one single sale with the high ticket product. Another one is One Funnel Challenge Away by Russell Brunson. It's a mid ticket product of $100. And these products are the best product in the market. I have used all these products and I promote these product also. These products pay good amount of commissions also as compared to other products in the market. Another thing that contribute to his success is he not only promote products just to make money, he promotes the product that he uses. He has 100% belief in that product so that customer will get the best product in the market and buy from him again and again. Where other people in the market focus on making money only, and Umer focuses on solving other people's problem with the product he promote. And this is what make a huge difference in his marketing message. This is how he stands out from his competitors. Now only finding good affiliate program is not enough. You should have clear idea about who is your ideal customer, and most of the people ignore this part. That's why they are not able to make money with affiliate marketing. But Umer has always done deep analysis of the market before promoting any product to understand his ideal customer. He figure out who is the right audience for the product and where are they hanging out. He went into so much details about his dream customer, like their age, gender, profession, what problem they are facing, what goals they have, and so much more details. All these things make so easy to promote the product. Now let's talk about the next thing that might shock you. 80% of the affiliates failed because of this common problem, not having a consistent traffic source. Let's see how Umer solved this problem. Umesh started his first YouTube channel at the age of 15. For the whole 1 year, he tried to grow different channels in different niches, but nothing worked. Then he decided to quit the YouTube and started blogging. And then blogging became his main traffic source. For 2 years, he learned everything about blogging as much as he can. He learned how to rank the blogs using SEO, like long word keyword strategy. He also learned how to use other social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Quora to increase traffic on his blog. Let me show you how he was using Quora to increase traffic on his blog. So, what Umer used to do, he answers the question that people ask related to affiliate marketing. By answering these questions, he was building his credibility, authority among his audience. Also, he used to post content on Quora and linked his website in these articles so that he can send traffic to his blog. Now I will show you how he was using Facebook to increase traffic on his blogs. So on Facebook, he was using Facebook groups to get the traffic because in the Facebook group, his ideal customer hang out. So one of the group he was using, that is ClickFunnels. It is one of the largest group. I have also used this group to generate leads for my business. Now what he was doing, he used to post in this group different kinds of content like transformation post. I could not find the post, otherwise I will show you the post also. Another thing is, there are many people ask questions in the groups who are looking for the help, who stuck somewhere facing problems in their business. So a lot of affiliate marketers also ask questions in this group. He used to answer those questions, and when you answer the question, you build your authority. People will start see you as a helping person, and then they will start coming to your profile also. Now on his profile, he was posting content and mentioning about his blog also. Basically what he was doing on all these platforms, he was creating content and answering questions to all the people who was facing problem. He was building his authority, credibility, visibility in front of his ideal customer. And by doing all these things, he was building trust among his audience. And then people slowly start coming to his profile also. And on his profile, in the bio, there was link of his blog. And in the content also, he was mentioning about his blogs. And that's how he was sending traffic to the blogs. And on the blogs, he was writing articles teaching people how to do affiliate marketing, different kind of traffic strategies, and all these things. And then he recommend the products in between the articles, and from there people will buy the product. Same thing he was doing on the YouTube also. When he started YouTube again, he was creating videos on the YouTube, creating content, providing value to his audience. Then in the description, he put the link of the product he used to promote, like Hostinger, and from there, people will buy the product. And later, he learned more advanced strategies to promote the product, like sales funnel, email marketing, Google ads, Facebook ads, and then he added all these strategies into his business and started making more money with affiliate marketing. All these things that I have told you above are very important to build a successful online business. But if he didn't have this thing that I'm going to tell you now, he was not able to make money with his online business. And that is right mindset. From starting, he was focusing on learning, developing all the skills, not to just make quick bucks or to make money overnight. He was consistently working on himself, learning all the skills. Even he failed so many times. For the whole 2 years, he failed in YouTube, nothing worked out. But he kept going, he didn't stop learning. He learned about SEO, the whole organic traffic, how to build funnels, email marketing, Google ads, Facebook ads, all the paid traffic, how to sell the product, webinars. Instead of thinking just to make money overnight, or to make money quickly. He invested in himself and took the time, did all the hard work to learn the skills that actually helped him to build the online business. And he was just not learning, but he was implementing the things. He was taking action consistently even after failing so many times. And that's why he was able to cross 1 crore revenue with affiliate marketing at the age of 18. If you also want to build the affiliate marketing business but with the right mindset and strategies, using the power of AI in just few minutes, I have shared complete step-by-step process in this video. You can click here and watch the video. And if you find the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.